Boil. I boiled the eggs for breakfast. Fry. She fried the bacon until it was crispy. Grill. We grilled the steaks on the barbecue. Bake. He baked a cake for her birthday. Roast. The turkey was roasted in the oven. Steam. I steamed the vegetables until they were tender. Whip. She whipped the cream until it was stiff. Blend. I blended the fruits to make a smoothie. Chop. He chopped the vegetables into small pieces. Dice. She diced the potatoes and vegetables into cubes. Slice. I sliced the bread into thin slices. Shred. He shredded the cheese on top of the pizza.